whānau. Che whānau, our kaumātuas are on, so get down, don't miss it. It's a good day. We're here at our Waitangi Day and this is our Parakore team. These ladies are going to sort their rapehi into the right bins. So she's got a lid, car pipe. Yay! Kia ora whānau.
Slip, slop, slap and rub here at Waitangi.
Whee! Kia ora!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mokra duck.
To protect our land, and then you will go in the draw to win one of these. Amongst the many prizes we have today, we have a Yui Boom going for anyone.
Guys, we're backstage here with Bubblegum. They're our next team up on stage. Come down and check them out at our Waitangi Day. Crowns up, yeah!
Stand up and have a cunny.
Kani, 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 kani.
Feel the vibes, feel most of the music. The lost art of Mexican.
I know we're backstage at the moment and we have my more music practicing. Alright, come down and get your boogie on, your wire top.
Today. Now we're going to take it right back to the beginning of Maimoa. Maimoa music of our very first song.
One, two, three, four.
You to me are everything, the sweetest song that I can sing. Oh baby,
Oh, baby.
oh baby.
Oh,
To you I guess I'm just a clown who picks you up each time. And I, oh baby,
oh, baby.
oh. My hands together, and I'm
Oh,
the
what
moment
news?
that everyone has been waiting for.
What news? Can I get a drum roll, please? Rion Horny. Rion Horny up there.
Kaya kuya gede.
She did a cartwheel. Or something.
Our second place winner, Stefano.
Come on, Koto. They're beautiful.
Hold on, we'll just get a mate from him.
Was up here before.
Kia ora, Jay,
still
we'll
does
talk
not have an
Snapchat.
a few
Harakuri team going hard in the background. Tēnā koutou. Awesome work. Oh, awesome, Dia. You're doing good, fire. No, if you've lost the pepe, or if you're going home with an extra seat empty, tēnā kua hara mai ki te tiki tō tamaiti, ko tōna ingoa ko Dana. So we have a bubba here, her name's Dana, and she's just gone for a play a bit too long away from her whānau. Nō reira, if this is your Dana, she's in our information tent. Kia ora. And it's alright, we found the parents of the tamaiti. Alright, we can go home now, Lulu. Now, she's good. So guys, that wraps up our Waitangi Day 2018 here in Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei.